Imagine a world made entirely of clay, every hill, tree, and cloud shaped by hand. The colors are bright, the sun a smiling yellow disk over a playful Switzerland. Here, the mountains aren't just rocks and snow, they're characters, full of personality. The air feels crisp, rivers wind like shiny blue ribbons, and cows graze with painted-on smiles. This is a land built from imagination, where the ordinary becomes extraordinary. Our journey takes us high into the Alps, the heart of this clay Switzerland. The mountains are grand, their peaks covered in soft white clay, reaching for a perfect blue sky. You can see the thumbprints of the artist, giving each ridge a unique texture. These mountains have watched over the valleys for ages, holding stories of adventure and nature's power. We'll focus on two legendary peaks, the Matterhorn and the Jungfrau, the king and queen of this clay kingdom. Each has its own magic, making you feel small in the best way, filling you with awe. So come along, let's begin our adventure in this handcrafted world of Swiss mountain beauty. It's a trip you won't soon forget. First, we visit the magnificent Matterhorn, a perfect pyramid of grey and white clay. Its sharp peak points skyward, standing proud and distinct from all others. The artist's careful lines make it look rugged, yet beautifully crafted. The Matterhorn is world famous, straddling the border of Switzerland and Italy. Once thought impossible to climb, it became a symbol of ambition after Edward Whymper's team reached the top in 1865. In our clay world, the Matterhorn's mood shifts with the light, blushing at sunrise, casting dramatic shadows by day, and standing as a silent guardian at night. Its simple, powerful shape inspires dreams and challenges. The Matterhorn reminds us that with courage, even the highest peaks can be reached. In clay, it stands as a symbol of natural beauty and ambition, a pointy peak that captures every imagination. Now, let's meet the Jungfrau, a graceful, snow-clad queen among the Alps. Unlike the Matterhorn, the Jungfrau is part of a mighty trio with the Eiger and the Monk, forming a massive wall of rock and ice. Its name means maiden, and its smooth white slopes shine with pure beauty. A bright red clay train, the Jungfraubahn, winds up inside the mountain, a marvel of engineering over a century old. The journey is an adventure, passing through tunnels to breathtaking glacier views. At the top, you reach the Jungfraujoch, the top of Europe, the continent's highest railway station. Step into a world of eternal snow, with an ice palace of blue clay and funny frozen sculptures. From the viewing platform, the Aletsch Glacier stretches like a frozen river of white clay. The view is storybook perfect, the world below a tiny model village. The Jungfrau isn't just a mountain, it's a place of wonder, letting everyone experience the magic of the high Alps. In Claymation Switzerland, the seasons transform the landscape with color and life. Spring melts the snow, revealing green clay and the first alpine flowers. Streams swell, and the air is fresh with promise. Summer bursts with lush green meadows, dotted with flowers and grazing clay cows. The sky is a brilliant blue, perfect for hiking up winding trails. Autumn brings warm shades of orange, red, and gold, the larch trees glowing against the sky. The air turns crisp, and the land grows calm, preparing for winter. Winter covers everything in a thick, soft blanket of white clay. Villages nestle under snow, smoke curling from tiny chimneys. The world is quiet, the mountains majestic. Each season is a masterpiece, a new chapter in the story of the Alps. At the foot of these clay mountains, charming villages come to life. Tiny houses with sloping roofs and glowing windows cluster together, flower boxes brightening balconies. In Zermatt near the Matterhorn, there are no cars, just quiet electric carts and peaceful streets. Life moves slowly, in tune with the mountains. Villagers are farmers, guides, and craftspeople, deeply connected to the land. Clay figures go about their day, a baker with bread, a farmer with cows, a guide ready to climb. Seasons shape village life, bustling with hikers in summer, magical and festive in winter. The mountains provide both challenge and comfort, teaching humility and appreciation for simple joys. In this claymation world, the villages feel cozy and safe, watched over by friendly giants. These clay mountains fill your heart with wonder. Looking up at the Matterhorn or Jungfrau, you feel small in a good way, reminded of the world's beauty. The landscape sparks your imagination. Peaks become dragons, clouds drift like sheep, and adventurers scale the heights. The mountains are more than scenery. They're a playground for dreams. Even in clay, the beauty feels real, connecting you to nature's artistry. Light and color shift on the slopes, bringing peace and belonging. The mountains have stood for ages, grounding and humbling us. This wonder stays with you. Images of the Matterhorn and Jungfrau Joch inspiring curiosity and adventure. The playful clay Alps plant a seed of exploration that lasts forever. Our claymation journey through Switzerland comes to an end. We've seen the Matterhorn, traveled to the Jungfrau, watched the seasons change, and visited cozy villages. This handcrafted world captures the heart and soul of the Swiss Alps, a place pulled from a fairy tale. The mountains invite adventure, whispering tales of discovery and challenge. Imagine breathing crisp mountain air, hiking sunlit meadows, or crunching snow underfoot. The real Switzerland is out there, even more breathtaking than clay. This claymation tour is a postcard from a magical place, meant to inspire you to see it for yourself. Let these clay mountains spark your next adventure. The Swiss Alps await, ready to offer peace, challenge, and wonder. Your own alpine story is waiting. The mountains are calling. Will you answer?
Dear viewers, I want to take a moment to thank each and every one of you for watching my videos and supporting my channel. Your love and encouragement mean so much to me. However, I have noticed that many of you enjoy the content but haven't subscribed yet. If you truly enjoy my videos and want to see more exciting content in future, I kindly request you to subscribe to my channel, and subscribing is completely free, but it helps me grow, create even better videos, and stay motivated to share some more amazing content with you. So if you haven't already, please hit that subscribe button and join our YouTube family today. Your support means that the world to me, and together we can make this community even bigger and stronger. Thank you so much for watching, supporting, and being a part of this journey. Dear viewers, I want to take a moment to thank each and every one of you for watching my videos and supporting my channel. Your love and encouragement mean so much to me. However, I have noticed that many of you enjoy the content but haven't subscribed yet. If you truly enjoy my videos and want to see more exciting content in future, I kindly request you to subscribe to my channel, and subscribing is completely free, but it helps me grow, create even better videos, and stay motivated to share some more amazing content with you. So if you haven't already, please hit that subscribe button and join our YouTube family today. Your support means that the world to me, and together we can make this community even bigger and stronger. Thank you so much for watching, supporting, and being a part of this journey.